my channel. My name is Marisol. If you are new here, welcome. And you're a returning watcher. What's up, guys? Good to see you guys again. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe, share, comment, and click the little bell so that you know the next time I upload a video. So without further ado, the title of this video is self-explanatory. Organize my jewelry with me. So if you follow me on social media, you know that I am a jewelry whore. And I hate to use that word so loosely. I mean, I love jewelry, like literally love it. Growing up, my mom used to call me Arbolito de Navidad because she says I would hang everything on me. Jewelry to me, to be honest with you, I don't know if this is a girl thing or what, but I feel like no matter what stage you are in your life, whether you are pregnant, perhaps you're trying to lose weight, for some reason, I feel like accessories always make you feel good regardless of how you're feeling. And for me, jewelry just always kind of brightens my day. I have been wanting to organize my jewelry for the longest. Now, this is just one bin. We'll do a part 2 and a part 3 later. Yes, that is how much jewelry I have. It's ridiculous. I know, like I said, I love jewelry. I'm that girl that when you say, don't buy her jewelry because she already has so much of it. No. There is no such thing as too much jewelry. You can never be without it. It's at TJ Maxx. I love going there because I'll find random things and they're gold, sterling silver, gold plated. So they'll eventually turn silver, so they'll still be able to be used. So that's what I love about them. And who doesn't love a bargain? So let's get into the video because I've already chewed your ear out. So let's go. All right, so now that I've organized all the jewelry and you guys saw that little process, I wanted to show you my little cheated way of how I keep my necklaces. So this is technically a thing for pants, but I really love this to keep my necklaces because all you do is pick this up, put it to the side, and then you're able to pick whatever necklaces you want to pick. So this is where I like to store my necklaces. As you can tell, this is all that's on there right now because my jewelry is so unorganized. Trust me, this is going to be a part 2, a part 3, possibly a part 4 because there's so much of it that I still need to organize. So let's keep going because there's some necklaces here that still need to be hung up. All right, guys, as you can see, I finally finished organizing everything in here. I separated by rings, earrings, and studs, and then the bracelets in a separate little container. So pretty much all done. All right, guys, now that I finished organizing the majority of this jewelry, I do like to save the little baggies because when we travel for work, I do like to keep them in their bags. It also helps keep the jewelry in good condition. So I will keep the bags, even though I think there's way too many of them. Oops, there goes the necklace I didn't even see. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed watching this organize my jewelry with me. Like I said, there will be a part 2 and a part 3 because there's so much more that I can, but if you haven't yet, guys, please be sure to subscribe, comment, share, and let me know if you enjoy these kind of videos. Let me know if like, nah, girl, this is not for you. I appreciate honesty also. So don't forget, guys, that I am constantly dropping new merch on my website. So be sure you check that out as well. We got a lot of cool stuff coming. And of course, as you can see, I've started to add jewelry because your girl is obsessed with jewelry. So anyhow, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate it. See you at the next Organize with Me.